Hello students, today we are going to learn the derivatives. In the last lectures we discussed about the basic gates. So what are the derivatives and what are the types of the derivatives? So different types of derivatives are available. So question is asked like this: what are derived gates? What are derived gates? State their types. Their types. So derived gates are the logic gates which can be constructed by using basic three logic gates. So there are the derived gates. So what are the types of derived gates? First is NOR gate. Number one, this NOR gate. NOR gate is a logic gate, is an electronic device which is constructed by using OR gate and NOT gate. So OR plus NOT is equal to NOR. Again, we can define the NOR gate. NOR gate is a logic gate which can be constructed by using OR gate and NOT gate. So it is called as NOR gate. So in this gate, the output of OR gate is connected to NOT gate, and resultant gate, what we are getting, that will be the NOR gate. So symbol of the NOR gate, symbol, which is very important. According to definition, it is constructed by using OR plus NOT. So one can draw the symbol of OR gate like this, and it is connected to the input of NOT gate. Suppose this is input A and input B. They are ORed as A plus B. They are inverted as Y is equal to A plus B bar. Hence, the symbol of NOR gate will be like this: OR and inverted, that is Y is equal to A plus B complement. Here A and B are the two inputs. This is what it is according to definition. We can construct NOR gate using OR and NOT, and this is the symbol of NOR gate. Then Boolean equation. Boolean equation. Boolean equation will be Y is equal to A plus B complement. This is OR and its inverter will be NOR. Similarly, the truth table we can write for this NOR gate like this: truth table. Here there are two inputs and one output. Hence A, B are the inputs and Y as output, which is equal to A plus B complement. Now if we draw the another column for OR gate, this is what for OR gate and this is for NOR gate. Just it is for comparison. Y is equal to A plus B complement. This is the truth table like this. inputs and outputs. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, all the possible combinations. Now OR gate, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is again 1. So this is what it is, the output for OR gate. We required the output for NOR gate. Inversion of that, inversion or complement of this will be 1 0 0 0. That means only the truth table of NOR gate will be like this. This will be block 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 and 1 1 again 0. So we can discuss in the working case 1. What is case 1? A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. Substitute it into the Boolean equation. A plus B whole complement. A is 0, B is 0, add 0, 0 complement, y is equal to 1. This is case 1. Similarly for case 2. What is for case 2? A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. Y is equal to A plus B whole complement, which is equal to 0 plus 1 whole complement. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 complement is 0. Similarly, case 3. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, Y is equal to A plus B whole complement, 1 plus 0 whole complement is 1 complement, which is equal to 0. Last, case 4. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, Y is equal to A plus B complement, which is equal to 1 plus 1 complement, 1 complement, which is equal to 0. Similarly, all the 4 combinations we can discuss. If you compare the output of OR and NOR gate, it is just complement of each other, and that's why it is called as NOR gate. Now next gate, it is NAND gate. It is NAND gate. N-A-N-D, NAND gate. NAND gate is a logic circuit or electronic circuit which can be constructed by using AND NOT gate. And NOT gate, that is NAND gate. Here it is like this, AND. So AND stands for ANDing, means multiplication. So symbol may be changed like this. Here it will be D. So here A dot B complement like this. Its Boolean equation will be A dot B whole complement. So this is what NAND gate. Its symbol will again replace like this, D. Here and this is not. It will be NAND gate. A dot B complement. Here it is AND gate. A and D. And here it is a NAND gate. We can just compare the output of AND gate and NAND gate. Then and then we can easily understand what is the difference between AND and NAND gate, which is completely inversion of each other or complement of each other. So discuss the case one by one. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. A dot B complement. 0 dot 0 is 0 and 0's complement is 1. Case number 2. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. Substitute these values in the Boolean equation. A dot B whole complement. 0 dot 1 is 0 and its complement. See, 0 into 1 is 0, its complement is 1. So as AND gate, we can write the truth table for AND gate. 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1. This is the truth table for AND gate, and this is the truth table for NAND gate, which is exactly inversion of or complement of AND gate output. Now, case number 3, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, 1 dot 0 is 0 and 0's complement is 1. Last case, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, A dot B whole complement, 1 dot 1 is 1 and its complement is 0. That means, except last condition, all the outputs are 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So, by using the truth table or by comparing the two outputs, AND gate and NAND gate, their outputs are exactly inverting of or inversion or complement of each other. So this is the second derived gate, which is a NAND gate, which can be constructed by using AND and NOT gate. So this is the symbol, this is the Boolean equation, this is the working, and this will be the truth table. So all the basic parameters are used to study the logic gate, either basic gate or derived gate. The third gate, which is very important, XOR gate and XNOR gate. So we will discuss this gate separately. Exclusive OR gate. It is nothing but it is a OR gate, but it excludes certain conditions. It omits certain conditions and which accept a certain condition. That means in OR gate, truth table of OR gate, there are 4 different possible combinations. Among the 4 combinations, this XOR gate excludes, omits 2 possible combinations and consider only remaining 2 combinations, and that's why it is called as exclusive. EX. OR gate is also called as inclusive OR gate. OR gate, or which is called as inclusive OR gate and exclusive OR gate. So OR gate has 2 types. XOR gate. XOR gate. So XOR gate can be defined as it is the logic circuit which can be constructed by using all the basic gates: OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate. That means in this gate all 3 basic gates are used to construct exclusive OR gate. So its definition will be like this: the output of XOR gate is high only when either of input is high. That means the output of XOR gate is high only when one of the input is high, when either of input is high. So what is this symbol and Boolean equation? Symbol will be like this because it is constructed by using basic gates, all the basic gates. its symbol is XOR gate. Here A, here it is B, and Y is equal to A XOR with B. This is the symbol of XOR. Boolean equation. Boolean equation. Boolean equation Y is equal to A XOR with B can be stated as A B bar plus A bar B. This is the expansion of this A XOR with B. Now, as we observe this Boolean equation, one can write this equation consists of three gates. Three gates, which one? Here it is AND, here it is OR, and here it is OR, and this complement indicates NOT gate. That means this gate or XOR gate is constructed by using all basic gates. So, on the basis of this equation, one can write the or draw the diagram. Here, two AND gates and one OR gate. Two AND gates, 1 and 2, D. Two AND gates are required, and one OR gate. Finally, the output of AND gates are given to the OR gate, and it is the final output Y. D. Inputs A B bar. Suppose this is A and here it is B. It is B. Where is B bar then? A B bar. Conversion. So here it is A, here it is B bar. Now second AND gate which has B, A bar. A bar. So use NOT gate here. It is B and here it is A bar. So its output is A bar dot B. The output of first AND gate is A dot B bar. Now ORing these two inputs, we get finally A B bar plus A bar B, which is equal to A XOR with B. This is the equation, this is the logical diagram, and this is the symbol we can use. Now, the working of this XOR gate can be explained by using truth table. So, truth table will be truth table A, B, Y is equal to A XOR with B. Three different columns. 1, 2, and this is 3. Inputs 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Here OR gate, the output of OR gate will be Y is equal to A plus B. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 and 1. This is the output for OR gate, and this is output for XOR gate. Then working will be like this. One number, A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. So by substituting this equation, in this case, Y is equal to A B bar plus A bar B. So A is 0, b bar is 1 plus a bar is 1 dot b is 0. So 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So output will be 0. Case number 2, a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1, y is equal to a b bar plus a bar b. Here in this case, a is 0, b bar is dot 0, a bar is 1, b is 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So in this case, the output is 1. Similarly, if you calculate, then output here will be 1 and here will be 0. Now you observe that all these combinations, 4 combinations, only 2 combinations, the output is 1. So output of XOR gate is high only when either of input is high. See here in this case, one of the input is high, then output is high. One of the input is high, then output is high. Here both the inputs are low, output is low. Both the inputs are high, output is low. So this XOR gate exclude the 2 combinations. This combination and this combination, it will be omitted, and hence the output is high only when either of input is high. So this is what the truth table for XOR gate, and in this way we can discuss the derived gates. Thank you.